Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents 13 natural tricks to destroy acid reflux. Acid reflux medications are among the world's top-selling drugs and account for billions of dollars in sales annually. But consider this: antacids were never created to be given out like candy. Initially, they were prescribed for people who were suffering from severe ulcers. When folks with a type of acid reflux that I had take these blockers, they disrupt the natural stomach acid needed to digest properly, absorb vitamins and minerals, and keep harmful overgrowth of bacteria in check. A much better approach is to zero in on the underlying cause of your acid reflux and correct it. I have put together a list of 13 natural remedies for acid reflux to try, so let's start to have a look. Stay tuned till the end. Home remedies to get rid of heartburn. Number 1. Eat bananas. Bananas are nutritious snacks and act as natural antacid. Bananas help in producing a protective layer of mucus by stomach that provides an additional benefit to the people having heartburn. Number 2. Chewing gum. Eating chewing gum after a meal has many advantages. People experienced relief from heartburn by chewing a sugar-free piece of gum for 30 minutes after a meal, as salivary production is stimulated. Any acid present in the gut is cleared and washed, which improves reflux disease. Number 3. Baking soda. The best way to treat heartburn is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. It neutralizes the acid in stomach. Mix half teaspoon baking soda in 1 glass water. Do not use it regularly, especially if you are salt restricted. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 tablespoon honey, optional, and 1 cup warm water and take it. It is very helpful in acidity and heartburn. You can also drink apple cider vinegar mixed in water when heartburn strikes. Number 5. Drink water. Heartburn can also be a sign of dehydration. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated. Avoid drinking water during mealtime as it can bloat the stomach and cause reflux. Number 6. Licorice root. Licorice root is beneficial for acid reflux because of its stomach healing properties. Take a cup of water in a pan. Add half teaspoon licorice root powder. Boil it, then let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain it and drink it 15 to 20 minutes before meals. Drink it 2 to 3 times daily for 1 week. Number 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is usually used to soothe burns and provide the same benefits to stomach as well. It reduces inflammation. Drink 2 to 3 ounces of unprocessed aloe vera juice daily. Number 8. Yogurt. Eating a few spoons of yogurt after meal can reduce the burning feeling. It is very old and common remedy. Yogurt contains probiotics that can neutralize acid in the stomach and esophagus. It helps in killing the bacteria that can cause illness. Number 9. Papaya. Digestive enzymes in papaya soothe the stomach. It aids in digestion and discourages heartburn. You can take it in a variety of ways like canned, dried, fresh or juiced. Number 10. Fennel Seeds. Vitamin and mineral-rich fennel has been used as a digestive aid all over the world for centuries. That's thanks to its source of anethol, a compound that relaxes the stomach. Soak some crushed fennel seeds in boiling water to make a tea and sipping it after a meal. Number 11. Ginger. Ginger is one of the oldest Chinese remedies for digestive issues and is a main ingredient for digestive herbal formulas. Try winding down with some ginger tea whenever your acid reflux strikes. Number 12. Sleeping upright and not eating before bed. late night snacking was definitely a primary cause of my personal acid reflux, as was sleeping totally flat my position of choice. Sleep as upright as possible and on your left side. This position does not allow stomach acid to empty back into the esophagus. Also avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Number 13. Eating smaller meals. Because it's harder for your digestive system to break down larger meals. If you fill up too much, it's likelier that your stomach acid will bubble back up the esophagus. Chew slowly and more frequently before swallowing. Digestion begins in the mouth. The more you help your body from the beginning, the easier it will be later on. Bottom line. If you have got acid reflux, there are so many natural remedies to try before heading to the drugstore. These tips worked for me and I am confident that they'll help you too. Try out these remedies at home and share your experience in the comments section below to help others learn that which remedy had worked for you the best. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.